How to enable or disable ADB authorization timeout on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down, you will see ADB ADB authorization timeout is here. So if you want to enable ADB authorization timeout, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see ADB authorization timeout is enabled. So if you want to disable ADB authorization timeout, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see ADB authorization timeout is disabled. So you will enable or disable ADB authorization timeout from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable or disable ADB authorization timeout on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.